So prediction markets gives you an opportunity for you to trade your conviction. You can trade in favor or against what you believe about what is going on, an event. And we're going to look at how it works on desktop. And I'll also show you in another video how it works on phone, on mobile phone. So now on desktop, we're going with Jupyter Wallet. And with Jupyter Wallet, it has, you can go with the extension. Yeah, you can go with the extension, you can go with the website. Now we import an existing wallet since you already have a mobile app. So use your mobile app on your phone to scan the desktop. And after you've done that, you put in your password and then you confirm your password. So after you've done this, you get started. Now the beautiful thing about prediction market is it's all about what you believe. If you're watching a football match, you can predict that okay, your team is going to win, your the team is going to win. Now we are right now at the time of making this video, we are in the World Cup season. And this World Cup season, there are different teams to predict. Every single day there's a match. There's opportunity for you to make money, either predicting that the team will win, there'll be a draw, or the team will lose. So now, when you get to this prediction market on Jupyter, you click on World Cup. The World Cup is there glowing in gold, gold gradients, and you're going to see different markets. So now you have the 26th World Cup, who's going to be the winner. So you can select, if you notice now, there are, these are the top, these top three countries you're seeing are the ones that people, highest that people choose. And then each of the matches per day, you have the opportunity to um, choose a yes, a draw, or a no. And there are different markets for you to predict them. So, and you can, with as low as $5, with as low as $5, you can make a prediction. So the thing about prediction market is that when you predict and your prediction is correct, you keep your capital plus the extra depending on the percentage of the people that predicted yes. If the amount of people are low, it means that the money you're going to share is going to be more. What you're going to make out of it is going to be more. Let's say you use like $100 to to predict. You can make up like $133 or even up to like more, up to $200, just depending on how many percentage of people who predicted yes, or how if it's a low or high competition market you choose. So it's very simple. You click on it, like if you click oh you want to buy yes, that's all. For example, now Spain is going to win. You just simply have like your USDC, you put in your $5 and above, and then you click on yes. So you can see now 16 cents per share. Why no is 84 cents per share, but the minimum amount you can use to trade is $5. So you click on it and then you put in your amount. As soon as you put in your amount and you buy, you can go to yes, draw, no, yes, draw, no. You're saying, oh yes, Brazil is going to win. Oh, um, yes, Morocco is going to win. Oh, there'll be a draw. Or no, Brazil will not win. You know. So you just trade your conviction. It's that simple. That's beautiful about prediction markets. And right now it's buzzing. Prediction market is like buzzing right now. Just simply because you know, we're in the World Cup season. And after the World Cup, you can always trade every other thing. Now there's a um maybe you might have missed this by the time you're watching this video, but there was like a pool of amount of money to win if you can make all your five predictions are correct. You can win from a pool of $100,000 on the crypto market. Now there are several other prediction markets in the crypto space, but this one we're focusing on Jupiter. In subsequent videos, I will show you like how to use order prediction markets. So these are like, you know, this is challenge, the World Cup challenge that's happening on Jupiter. So this is how you use prediction market, Jupiter prediction market. So which market are you trading this World Cup?